Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
So let's wait for others also to join since only you are here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So let's get started, beta. Let me drop a message in the class group. All right. Open up your book to page number 86.
Okay.
Open, beta. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just try and start reading the chapter. I just want to listen to your pronunciation, how you pronounce it.
Hold on, we.
Lesson
Lesson les vacances.
les vacances.
Les vacances.
Okay, I used to do one thing. Now listen, beta. Do one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Just write down the pronunciation along with these lines so that the next time you read them out correctly. What is it called? It's called les vacances. Now, whatever language you're comfortable in, whether in Hindi or in English, you can also write it in Hindi. Okay? Les vacances.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Aujourd'hui, les dernier.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Mandrina, please put your camera on.
Ma'am, just a second.
Yes. Are you ready, Manrina? All right, Ayush, continue.
The man lay vacuum delete common set lay Elvis son contents else on Duke's Muse de vacuum maneuver Vale Lake Paul Une Simane Isabel et sa famille won alarm campaign et Anish wa in Indy bonds vacances.
All right. Now do one thing, beta. Just take your pencil and note down how I pronounce. Okay? Each and every line, just write the pronunciation above these lines, above the words given. Aujourd'hui, aujourd'hui, c'est le, aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école.
Yes, ma'am.
De l'école. Now, how do you read out the full line, the complete sentence? Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Yes, now try.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour
Jour.
de l'école.
It's not jour, it's jour. Jour.
Jour.
Yeah. C'est le dernier jour de l'école. De l'école. Okay?
De l'école.
Yes. Then, demain. Demain. Demain.
Demain.
Les vacances. Demain. Les vacances.
Yes, ma'am.
D'été. Demain. Les vacances
Yes, ma'am.
d'été commencent.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it out.
Demain, la vacances d'été commencent.
Les vacances, beta. It's les vacances. Demain, les vacances d'été.
Demain, les vacances d'été
Commencent. Then, Manrina, are you there in the class? Manrina is not there. Okay. Then the next line. Les élèves sont contents.
Yes, ma'am.
Les élèves sont contents. Read it out.
Contents. Les hommes sont contents.
No, beta. Les élèves.
Les élèves.
Very good. Sont contents.
Sont contents.
Les élèves sont contents. Ils ont de moi. Ils ont de moi de vacances.
May I please repeat?
Ils ont, Z sound. Ils ont de moi de vacances.
Yes,
Done?
ma'am.
Okay, now repeat this line.
Les élèves sont contents. Ils ont
Ils ont, very good.
Davi
De moi,
Marco.
de moi
D'avoir
de vacances. Ils ont
Okay.
de moi de vacances.
Okay.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now read out.
Les élèves sont contents. Ils ont Davi
Beta,
Marco.
again, moi. It's
Moi.
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 Ils ont de moi de vacances.
Ils ont d'avoir d'amour.
All right. Then Manuel va
Manu va
à la plage
à la plage.
Manuel va à la plage pour
À la plage.
une semaine.
Okay.
Repeat this line.
Manuel va à la
Plage
plage pour une semaine.
pour une semaine. Very good. Isabelle
Yes, ma'am.
et sa famille. Isabelle et sa famille
Yes, sir.
vont
One
à la campagne
à la
Isabelle
campagne.
et sa famille vont à la campagne et Anish
Et Anish
va en Inde. Et Anish va en Inde. On Inde. What you people call Inde is Inde. Okay?
wind.
The country India. It's and.
Okay.
Isabel e sa famille vont à la campagne et Anish va en Inde. And in the end, it's
Okay.
written bon vacances.
Bon vacances.
Okay, so the complete translation is today is the last day of the school. Okay, starting from
I-
first line. Today is the last day of the school. Tomorrow, the summer vacations begin.
Will begin.
The students are happy. They have 2 months of holidays. Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. Isabel and her family are going to the countryside and Anish goes to India.
Happy vacation.
Happy vacations. Bon vacances. Okay.
Done.
Now, Ayush, can you read out the whole passage? Whole paragraph?
I'm in French.
Yes, in French.
I might try.
Yes, definitely.
Aujourd'hui, là
Sailor.
c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Demain, les vacances d'été. Commence.
Come on.
La. Okay, la. Dans Jalem son content.
Les élèves. Beta, it is always les élèves.
Les élèves sont contents.
Mandrina,
Il-
page number 86. It's page number 86, 9th chapter. Yes, continue,
Okay,
Ayush.
ma'am.
Ils haben des mots
The moi
d'amour manuel ou à la plaque pour you
pour
semaine
une semaine. Very good.
pour you semaine Isabelle a some
Et sa famille
et sa famille one à la compagnie à Anish wa on
on end.
and bon vacances.
Bon vacances. Very nice. Very good. Now, Manrina, did you hear the pronunciation? All right. So now let's, Ayush, do these exercises given below. The first one is dit re ou faux. Read out the first sentence.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le premier jour des vacances. Faux.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le premier jour de l'école. What is premier? Premier is the first day. Yes.
Day
So
of school.
it is not the first day. Why? Because it is the last day of the school. So the sentence is faux. Then the second one. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Ils ont 2
Ré.
mois de vacances? Oui. Ré. That's true. Manuel va à la piscine. Manuel.
Faux.
Why faux? Because
They are saying that Manu will go to swimming pool.
yes. So he goes where? Where does he go? He goes to
Plug.
plage. That is, what is a plage? Plage is
Swimming pool.
no. Plage is not swimming pool. Plage is beach. Beach. Swimming pool is piscine. So in the chapter, it is given that Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. And in true and false, they are asking that Manuel goes to the swimming pool. So the sentence becomes faux. It's false. The fourth one is Anish va Anand. Anish goes to India. True or false?
Ray. Ray.
Ray. It's
Ray.
Ray. Ray is
True.
Good. The fifth one, Isabel e Caroline vont à la campagne. Isabel
Four.
and Faux.
Four.
Why? Because Isabel et sa famille. Isabel and her family goes to the
Countryside.
countryside. Yes. Now, the next exercise is complétez avec un mot du texte. Complétez avec un mot du texte. Now, you
Okay.
have to pick a word from the text and complete this exercise. Have you done it?
No, ma'am, we've not done.
All right, just try it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Try it on your own. And let's see if you can do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell true or false first and second?
All right. The first sentence of true and false is Aujourd'hui, c'est le premier jour de l'école. What is
Four.
premier, Manrina? What is premier? Premier is first. First. Okay. But if we study the chapter, the first line it is given Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour. What is dernier? Dernier is the last. So the first sentence is faux. Then the second one, ils ont 2 mois de vacances. They have 2 months of vacations. Is it? They have 2 months of vacations, Manrina? How many,
No, ma'am.
sorry, read in the chapter. How much duration of vacation they have given?
Ma'am, 2 months.
Then it's true or false?
True.
True. They have 2 months of vacations. Okay. Then the second exercise, just try to do it on your own. Done?
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Done it?
Ma'am, AIMONS means
Once again?
ma'am, AIMONS.
AIMONS means
Yes, ma'am.
this is a verb which comes from amer verb. Amer verb means to love or to like. So when it is conjugated with nu, it becomes amo.
Okay, ma'am.
So the sentence is we love dash.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done. Very nice. Manrina, what about you? Okay, what is the first one? Dash, je vais à la plage.
Manure.
What is the translation of je vais à la plage?
I go to the beach.
Beach. Okay. Now what have you put in the blank?
Ma'am,
What have you written?
manure.
Then now read out the whole sentence in English.
Manure, I will go to the beach.
Beta, is it correct? Manual, I go to the beach.
So what will be?
Today, I will go to the beach, or tomorrow, I will go to the beach. It should be this.
Okay, ma'am.
Why any name here?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know the second one.
All right, the second one is J dash leave. What is J? J means what?
I.
No, Je means I. When we have J apostrophe AI, that becomes,
will go.
yes?
I will go.
No. J means I have. I have dash books.
Oh, two.
Two. What is two in French?
क्या था?
What is two?
Davio.
The. DEUX. J the leave. Then the next one.
Vacances.
Nous aimons les vacances. Very good. We love the vacations. And the fourth one. Ils vont à l'école. Ils dash à l'école. What will come in the blank? Ayush, what have you written?
Ma'am, I had written English. He will go.
She will go. No, but what word have you written in the blank?
Oh. Ma'am, wait now.
All right, it is going to be, see, it's given they dash to the school. Now what will be what are we going to write in the dash? They
Go.
go to
Go.
the school. Now what is go with ils? ILS. What is go? Aller verb becomes VONT. Ils vont à l'école. Do you remember the conjugation of aller verb? What is aller verb? Okay, look up into the chat box. Aller. Aller means to go, right? So when we conjugate this, when I have to say I go, what do I say? Je vais. When I have to say you go, then what do you say? Tu vas. He and she goes. What do we say? Il va, elle va. Then nous allons, vous allez,
Nous allons.
and ILS / ELLES VONT. This is the conjugation of aller verb. Manrina, since you are a new student, you don't know about these verbs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't understand these verbs. Okay, I'll tell you. Aller verb means to go. Now we have three verbs which are irregular verbs. One is aller, one is être, and the other one is avoir. See, I have written in the chat box. I'll write it once
Yes, ma'am.
again. Aller, être, and
Aware.
avoir verb. Now, what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are those that come differently with all the subject pronouns. Now, before we study these verbs, we must know what are subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? In English, what are subject pronouns? Subject pronouns are pronouns that are used in place of subject nouns. Like, for example, I say Manrina studies. Okay, Manrina studies French. Now, what is Manrina here? Manrina is a proper noun, right?
Subject. Oh.
Yes, and it is also the subject. You are correct. It is also the subject and it is the proper noun. Now, how do we replace a noun? We replace nouns by pronouns. What will I make? How will I change Manrina into a pronoun? I will say she studies French. Okay. I teach French. Neha, if I talk about myself, what is it? Neha teaches French. Now, how will I change myself into
I
subject?
teaches French.
I teach French. So we have a particular pattern of these subject pronouns. There is a format in which these subject pronouns have to be learned. Ayush, do you remember the pattern of the format of these subject pronouns?
Name this
Very
this
nice.
one.
So Manrina, just write it down. We have subject pronouns. Now, what is the subject pronoun? They have a particular pattern in which, particular sequence in which they have to be learned. First is je. Je means I. If I have to talk about myself, I will say je. Je, like I speak. Je parle. I go. Je vais. I write. J'écris. Okay, anything I talk about myself. I am. Je suis. So je is I. Then we have tu. Tu is you. Which you? Singular you. Then we talk about he and she. That is, il stands for he and L stands for she. Then we have nu. What is nu? Nu stands for we.
Oh, means they.
Then we have vous. Vous stands for you all. And in the end, we have ILS, which means they. And then we have L, which again means they. So Manrina, when we learn subject pronouns, we have this pattern. Now I'll just read out the French version of these subject pronouns. That is, je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Clear? What is je? Manrina, now you have to unmute yourself and answer my questions. Just put your camera on. What is I in French?
Je.
Je. What is he in French? He.
Il.
Very nice. What is you all in French?
You all.
Yes, you all. The
Vous.
plural you. What is it?
Vous.
Vous. Very nice. What is singular you?
Tu.
Two. What is we all? We all.
We all. Nos.
No. And if I talk about a group of men standing outside, they will be referred to as, what will I? Yes?
Elle.
Ill. No, beta. For men, we always use ill. For women, we use L. Okay?
Elle.
Now, when we are talking about more than one person, more than one third person masculine, we will use ILS. Okay? Like suppose I say, Ravi and Shankar are standing. Ravi and Shankar are standing. So what will I use in place of Ravi and Shankar? Which subject pronoun am I going to use?
Ils.
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 Very nice. And suppose I say Mr. Peter is standing. What will I use?
Il.
Very good. Ill. Now, let me give you one more example. My mother and my father are going to the market.
Else.
My mother and my father, both the genders are there. So whenever we have both the genders and we have to replace them by a subject pronoun, we use the masculine one, that is ILS.
Ils.
Yes, masculine is always dominant here also. Okay, in these kind of places where we are talking about both the genders. All right, now listen to this one. My mother and my sister are studying. My mother and my,
Else.
very nice, else. Very good. So now the concept is clear to you. Okay. Now again, look at the aller verb which I had typed in the chat box. Now this aller verb, when I say je vais, what do I mean, Manrina? I mean,
Je vais. I
yes, I go.
go.
Okay. When I say tu vas, what do I mean? Tu vas is,
You are.
you go. Why are? We are talking about aller verb. Aller verb means to go. And now when we conjugate this aller verb with these subject pronouns, every time there is a new word that is formed. That is why this verb is known as an irregular verb. Clear? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, next, if I say il va, what do I mean to say? Il va.
He goes.
He goes. Very nice. Ayush, are you also clear with this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now Ayush is going to tell us, what does nous allons mean? Nous allons.
We.
Very good. We
Allons.
allons. Allons is which verb?
Oh, we go.
Yes, we go. Manrina, what is vous allez? Vous allez.
They or we.
Why they? They is only ILS and ELLES. Vous is you all. You all. Okay. When I'm talking about you, which is more than one, or when I'm talking about somebody who is elder to me, I'm talking to someone who is elder to me. Suppose if Manrina is talking to me, okay, ma'am, you teach French. So Manrina is going to use vous for me. Why? Because I am older to Manrina. She is going to show respect to me. All right. Either in this case where we have a formal relation, we use vous, or in some other case where I am talking to more than one person. Now suppose you people are younger to me, right? But I am talking to Manrina and Ayush both. So I will refer you as vous. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Manrina, is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, clear हुआ है बेटा? अगर कोई confusion है, then let me know.
No, ma'am.
No? Now suppose if I want to say they go. They go. I'm talking about feminine. I'm talking about a feminine noun. Jasreena, no naughtiness between the class. Yes. Now Manrina, you're going to tell us what if I want to say they go.
They go.
Yes, I'm talking about females.
Else.
Very good.
Else.
And what is go?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know go.
Beta, see, I have written in the chat box the conjugation of aller verb. Aller verb is what? To go. What I have written with ills and else. What have I written?
They.
No, they तो ठीक है. उसके आगे go के लिए मैंने क्या use किया है? Go के लिए which verb have I used? Want. V-O-N-T. Can you see it?
They want.
Il vont or elles vont, which means they go.
Elles vont.
Right? Elles vont. Now, see, to make this concept clear in your mind, you have to study on page number. Where is the
75.
aller verb given?
75.
75 page number. Yes. Manrina, now look up at page number 75. You have to learn this by heart. The table given on the top. Okay. So this is how we use aller verb. And this is how we use subject pronouns. Now, if you attend each class of mine, I'm going to make all the concepts clear to you, which you have missed. All right. Now, there is no time left, children.